considering taking a language course to improve my communication skills. I'm considering taking a language course to improve my communication skills.
I'm considering taking a language course to improve my communication skills.
I need to get a new phone because my old one is not working well. I need to get a new phone because my old one is not working well.
I need to get a new phone because my old one is not working well.
Traveling to different countries exposes you to new cultures. Traveling to different countries exposes you to new cultures.
Traveling to different countries exposes you to new cultures.
Visiting museums is a great way to learn about history and art. Visiting museums is a great way to learn about history and art.
Visiting museums is a great way to learn about history and art.
My friend is a skilled painter and creates beautiful artworks. My friend is a skilled painter and creates beautiful artworks.
My friend is a skilled painter and creates beautiful artworks.
We often have family gatherings on holidays. We often have family gatherings on holidays.
We often have family gatherings on holidays.
Learning to drive can give you more independence. Learning to drive can give you more independence.
Learning to drive can give you more independence.
Reading books helps improve vocabulary and comprehension. Reading books helps improve vocabulary and comprehension.
Reading books helps improve vocabulary and comprehension.
It's important to stay hydrated, especially in hot weather. It's important to stay hydrated, especially in hot weather.
It's important to stay hydrated, especially in hot weather.
They like to go hiking in the mountains during the summer. They like to go hiking in the mountains during the summer.
They like to go hiking in the mountains during the summer.
My family enjoys going camping in the mountains every summer. My family enjoys going camping in the mountains every summer.
My family enjoys going camping in the mountains every summer.
The weather can change quickly, so it's a good idea to check the forecast. The weather can change quickly, so it's a good idea to check the forecast.
The weather can change quickly, so it's a good idea to check the forecast.
Many people prefer tea over coffee as their morning drink. Many people prefer tea over coffee as their morning drink.
Many people prefer tea over coffee as their morning drink.
Cooking a homemade meal is often more satisfying than eating out. Cooking a homemade meal is often more satisfying than eating out.
Cooking a homemade meal is often more satisfying than eating out.
She speaks English fluently and is also proficient in Spanish. She speaks English fluently and is also proficient in Spanish.
She speaks English fluently and is also proficient in Spanish.
I usually take a walk in the park to clear my mind. I usually take a walk in the park to clear my mind.
I usually take a walk in the park to clear my mind.
My hobby is photography, and I enjoy taking pictures of nature. My hobby is photography, and I enjoy taking pictures of nature.
My hobby is photography, and I enjoy taking pictures of nature.
I'm planning to visit my grandparents this weekend. I'm planning to visit my grandparents this weekend.
I'm planning to visit my grandparents this weekend.
Studying regularly is essential for academic success. Studying regularly is essential for academic success.
Studying regularly is essential for academic success.
I have a meeting at work tomorrow, so I need to prepare for it. I have a meeting at work tomorrow, so I need to prepare for it.
I have a meeting at work tomorrow, so I need to prepare for it.
I need to buy groceries for the week, so I'll go to the store later. I need to buy groceries for the week, so I'll go to the store later.
I need to buy groceries for the week, so I'll go to the store later.
He often goes for a run in the morning to stay healthy. He often goes for a run in the morning to stay healthy.
He often goes for a run in the morning to stay healthy.
They have two cats and a dog, and their pets bring them a lot of joy. They have two cats and a dog, and their pets bring them a lot of joy.
They have two cats and a dog, and their pets bring them a lot of joy.
The film's plot was filled with unexpected twists and turns. The film's plot was filled with unexpected twists and turns.
The film's plot was filled with unexpected twists and turns.
The concert was so captivating that the audience didn't want it to end. The concert was so captivating that the audience didn't want it to end.
The concert was so captivating that the audience didn't want it to end.
Environmental conservation is crucial for the well-being of our planet. Environmental conservation is crucial for the well-being of our planet.
Environmental conservation is crucial for the well-being of our planet.
He made a strong argument during the debate and convinced many people. He made a strong argument during the debate and convinced many people.
He made a strong argument during the debate and convinced many people.
The political debate sparked a lot of discussion among the citizens. The political debate sparked a lot of discussion among the citizens.
The political debate sparked a lot of discussion among the citizens.
She decided to pursue a career in medicine to help those in need. She decided to pursue a career in medicine to help those in need.
She decided to pursue a career in medicine to help those in need.
Although it rained, we still had a great time at the picnic. Although it rained, we still had a great time at the picnic.
Although it rained, we still had a great time at the picnic.
In the modern world, technology plays a pivotal role in our daily lives. In the modern world, technology plays a pivotal role in our daily lives.
In the modern world, technology plays a pivotal role in our daily lives.